So what I would like to demonstrate today is how to change the lithium battery in the Honda key fob. I have a 2015 Honda Civic. This is the key fob. On the back of the key fob, there's a small button. When you press the button or slide it over, it releases the key. That is the key. The key is seldom needed because you have a key fob. With this key, you're going to place it in between the space here of the key fob, and you're going to use the key to pry it open or apart to access the battery. So you go like that, you turn the key, this lifts up, this comes apart, and this exposes the battery. Carefully, you take the battery out and you get a new battery. The battery is this. It's a CR2032. I picked this up at the local dollar store. You put the new battery carefully in with the writing facing up, and you carefully push that down. You take your key fob backing and you snap it into place as such. Make sure it's tight and make sure this is closed all the way around. It snaps into place like so. And then you replace the key. The key goes back into the slot and clicks in. And the car starts fine. And there's no message on there saying the battery needs to be changed. That message will be gone because the message will show up in the information.